What up, V Squad? What's good? Hey, you guys. Sorry, I look a little plain Jane. I'm not feeling too good today. But anyway, today's video, I am doing a snack crate for you guys. That's my thumbnail. I don't know. But I'm doing a snack crate. I want to try. I've been wanting to try them. And I just haven't. I don't know. I keep forgetting. But I ordered me some, and I ordered it at the end of the month, and it came right away. But when you order it, you pay at the beginning of the month, and then you get your crate. You pay at the beginning of the month, and you get your crate at the end of the month. Alrighty, you guys, and this is from Hawaii. So I was right. If you watch my blog, I couldn't remember. Stickers. Snack crate sticker. Snack crate sticker. Excuse my nails. Oh, look at the little big keys. Let me open it with y'all. Oh, that's not gonna work. Sorry. Okay, so this is what we got. These are our snacks. Okay. Yeah, I hope they're not nasty. I'm scared now. I hope they're not nasty. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna try is the Hawaiian kettle style potato chips. Luau barbecue, sweet and spicy. Luau barbecue. I could be saying this wrong. If so, please forgive me. I'm not Hawaiian. Let me look at these ingredients on this top of stuff in my mouth. Oh, okay. Ain't no crazy stuff like American stuff. Okay. Okay, it wasn't horrible. But no. It didn't taste like a kettle chip. It tasted like a stale chip. So no, it didn't taste like a kettle chip. The flavor is sweet and spicy. Is that what it was supposed to be? Yeah. It just tasted like a stale honey barbecue Lay's chip. Not like anything good. Okay, so this is Hawaiian cookies candy bread. A Hawaiian cookie candy bread. Sorry about that glare, you guys. I don't think you can order these anywhere. Okay. I noticed they don't have like those super long names, that you don't know how to say. If you can get into it. Yeah, those chips were not those weren't the tea. That wasn't the tea. Didn't like those. Okay, they smell good. These are good. www.diamondbakery.com. Hawaiian cookie candy breads. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Yeah, they good. Diamondbakery.com. Real good. Okay. Looks like you over here. Okay. I don't even know what that is, but I'm not about to get into that. I might not even eat that. I don't know what's inside there. Okay. Kona Crunch. Chocolate covered macadamia nuts with rice chips. Kona Crunch. Yeah, I don't know if I'm saying this right, so just, yeah. Kona Crunch. Hawaiian Sun. Let's see. Those candy breads is banging. Them chips is nasty. Hawaii, alright, y'all 1 for 1 right now. Let's see what this Sonic Crunch is about. This look good and it smell good, y'all. Oh, that smells good. It's like a hazelnut smell too. I'm nervous. It do smell good. It's so hard. Oh my god. What is in here? Man. Do y'all hear that? I feel like I'm about to break my teeth. It smells good. It probably will be good. That was so hard. Like the crisp ain't hard. And the nut ain't hard, but it's like the chocolate is like really hard. I'm just drinking water, y'all. Just some cold water. So Kona Crunch, I don't really know how I feel about this because it's good, but I'm not about to break my teeth trying to eat it, so I don't know. I don't know. This look like something lemon. I can't really read it. It's so bright. P-I-A-C-A, Hawaii, I think. Aloha, Hawaii. Pika, Pesa, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like really, really light. I just assume lemon because it's yellow. That's what we do here in America. I'm nervous. What is this? Why they ain't got no ingredients or now I'm supposed to eat this? I don't know. It's not giving me that. Oh, I want to try it. What is this? I have to send somebody a block or something in a yellow packet that say Aloha Hawaii. I don't speak Hawaiian. What is this P-I-A-C-A word? I'm going to nibble it for y'all. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm scared. It's solid. I don't know. It got some type of taste. I don't know. It smells like some type of bread. It's soft when you bite it. Like, I don't know, maybe some type of shortbread cookie or... Okay, I feel like these are like the extreme candies over here. Hopefully they is because... I don't know. Why? I don't really know. I'm sorry, I'm just reading ingredients. Okay, so these are the Asian Trans Li Hang Yu Mu Rainbow Belts. Yeah. I hope they good because I don't know what that cookie thing was. And the chocolate things almost broke my mouth, so hopefully it is good. These remind me of those extreme candies we got over here. You know, Sour Patch. I don't know who make them, but I shouldn't have put the whole thing in my mouth. Hawaii. Y'all got some nasty candy. I mean, it's sweet. I need another one. Does that help you? I don't know if it's sweet, but okay, y'all. The last thing they sent was 3 of these things. I don't know what they are, but it's like something inside of it. It's like something is inside of this hard piece of candy. Plum candy. So I'm guessing this is a, sorry. So I'm guessing they just stuck a small piece of plum in there. Okay, that's interesting. All right, then. Snack crate. It's like open. Like, shouldn't the plum be inside of it? Y'all, I don't think I'm eating this. No, I don't think I'm gonna eat this. Look at this. Let me see if they all look like that. Like, I feel like that should be inside of the candy, not just sticking out all. And it's sticking to the paper real bad. Yeah, I'm not even for sure. I just want to see. Okay. This one. Yeah, this one's good. Okay, well, that's it. Okay. All right, you guys. So that was the end of my snack crate. We had some plum candy, not even eating it. It looked disgusting, so I can't tell you what it tastes like. We got these Asian Tran Lure Hing Mua Rainbow Belt. We got that. I don't know why I went Jamaican for some Hawaiian candy, and this is Asia candy. Why is this even in a Hawaii thing, snack crate? Ain't this Asian? It say Asia. Let me see if this is this made in Hawaii? I guess it was. I don't know, but it was, I don't know what this was, but I don't like it. Caramel Crunch. It was really hard. But these were really good. So I do see me eating these today. They will be gone. So yeah, those were good. I don't know if I'm gonna throw these away. I might see if like they like them, but Hawaii, y'all gotta come harder. I was not feeling it. These disgusting. Out of everything I put in this bag, I'm literally gonna only eat this, and I might eat these, but I don't like the way they feel chewing them. Oh, okay, you guys. So that was Snack Crate for Hawaii. I gave it a 1.5 stars out of 5 because I only liked one and almost 2 things. But Snack Crate, please come harder with your snacks for Hawaii, because y'all making Hawaii look bad. As if, you know, if these are their top snacks, if this is, you know, what everybody's buying out there. Maybe Hawaii just ain't the place for me to be snacking. So hopefully next month is really, really better. I don't know what country is next, so you will just have to see with me, because I don't know. So anyway, until my next video, stay tuned, keep it locked, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you always get notified when I drop these heats. As far as business videos, I do got some more business videos coming up. My what to expect video will be dropping very soon. If you are subscribed to my vlog channel, you might want to head over there now, because we are about to put up all of my lights, and we're going to unbox that clothing rack and get those clothes up from my Poshmark store, so you guys get to see the behind the scenes for that. V-Star Vlogs, if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you already are subscribed, thank you. Thank you. Until my next video. Peace out. Gang gang squad. We out.